everybody! So today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, easy iMovie video for beginners. So the first thing you want to do once you click Movie is you want to pick what videos or photos you're going to create. Now I definitely recommend putting every single video or photo you might possibly use in at once, because unfortunately you can't add them very easily after the fact. Another thing that I'm doing right here is I'm noticing that the picture isn't as big as I want it to be. So I click that pinch to zoom thing in the upper corner and I pinch it so it's the right size. That way the video is much easier to see fully. Now that I've realized what my videos are like, I'm going to have to create some transitions. The transition that I have on right now is called Dissolve, and I do need to change this one size too. So again, I use the pinch to zoom feature. So I changed my transition here to be just going from one to the next. And I mean, it looks okay, but I'd rather have a fun one. So there are tons of different options down there. I mostly use the fade to black or the dissolve, but you can use whatever you want. Now that I've looked at this, I think I've decided that I want to do some text. Putting text on a video is pretty simple. You just click on the T and pick what kind of font you use. There are tons of different options, but you just have to kind of pick which one will fit your video best. Right here, I'm realizing that they're pretty much covering people's heads, so I'm going to end up using just the simple font, which is going to be in the lower left-hand corner. But you can change that to be in the lower right. Then I'll type in what I want my text to say. Now keep in mind, this text will stay on the picture for the duration of the video. So this text saying pasta maker will be all the way till the end of this video. Now that's totally okay, but I kind of want it to just be at the beginning. So I'm going to pick a point where I want my pasta maker words to be done, and I'm just going to click split. If you didn't see that, I just clicked on the video and chose the split option, which will make it into two separate videos. You can see there's different options at the bottom, and I will totally get into them in different videos. Now I'm just going to click that blue button in the upper right corner. I know it looks funny, but it's just getting rid and adding that little thing at the bottom of the video that was there a little bit earlier, just showing what the pitches were. It's not necessary, you really don't need it. This is me maybe adding voice recording. That's that button in the upper left corner. So that's what I'm doing right now, actually. I'm voice recording on a video. So yeah, I'm making a video about iMovie in iMovie. It's crazy. It's fine. So then I'm just going to name my video when I'm done. I just named it Pasta Maker. That's totally cool. You can name it whatever you want. It won't show up many places, just in your iMovie library. And then I click that button on the bottom hand corner, that little triangle button, which will help me view it if I just want to watch it and make sure it's good before I save it to my camera roll. Now this is super important. When you save your video, you want to make sure you save it at the best capacity you can. That way, it will be the best quality.